Hello dear fighters, welcome back to our C programming problem solving tutorial. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a simple geometric calculator using the C programming language. This program uses a menu system to calculate the area of different shapes like a circle, rectangle or triangle again and again until the user decides to exit. Okay, come to the code. We start by including standard input-output header file. Then we enter the main function where our program execution begins. Okay, here choice stores the menu section and float, radius, length, base, height, area. All other variables are declared as float because area calculation may contain decimal values. I just print geometry, spelling mistake. Geometry calculator /n. Area of circle. I just create a menu section. Okay, next we print a clear menu so the user can see all available options. This while loop allowed the program to run continuously. The loop print the prompt and read user input at the same time. As long as the input is valid, the program keeps showing the menu again and again. Okay, I just create a switch. We use a switch statement to handle different menu options. Each case represents one geometric shape. Okay, if case 1, if the user select option 1, we calculate the area of a circle. So I need the radius value, from user. We applied the formula pi into radius into radius. Circle 12% to f slash n area. Okay, the result is printed with 2 decimal precision. Now I just break it. This one is complete. Option 2, calculate the area of rectangle. So I need length and the width value, obviously from user. %if the formula is length multiplied by width. Print the area. Okay, again break it. Case 3, calculate the area of triangle. So I need base and base and height. Sorry. From user. Formula is half into base and height. Okay, now print it. Okay, now I should create a default case for the switch. Choice. Okay, if the user enter any number other than 1, 2 or 3, the program print an error message and return it. Return 0. The return 0 immediately stop the program. This act as a clean exit control. Okay. So user can calculate area without restarting the program. The program keep running and calculating the area. Now I select option 1, keep the radius. Okay, I can use base the result. When I enter a invalid number without entering 1, 2 or 3, look, my program was exit. Okay, this program is a good practice example for beginner. From this program we learn menu driven programming, continuous input using loops, and real world math using C. Okay, if you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more problem solving program. Comment below what calculator should we build next. Thank you. Happy coding. Keep fighting.